Hi, my name is Megan Burbrick, and I'm the president of TDWI. Times of upheaval and uncertainty are often times for pause and reflection on what's most important. We at TDWI have certainly been reflecting on what is most important to us, the why, if you will, behind what we do, how we do it, and who we do it for. For more than 25 years, TDWI has been bringing data and analytics professionals together, often at face-to-face events, to deliver education on critical skills and best practices, and also to facilitate valuable connections, whether it be peer connections, expert connections, or connections to the right technology at the right time. While the current environment prevents us from doing this in person, we know that these skills and connections are still crucial for your professional development and for the success of your business. We have been working hard to find the best ways to continue to support you and your teams, given current travel and budget constraints. TDWI has a history of innovation, which has included expansion into virtual learning, on-demand distance learning, interactive online research tools, and much more. These efforts have enabled us to react with agility in order to continue to serve our mission. I am proud to announce the latest fruits of these efforts, the TDWI Virtual World Conference. At the core of this program is the same expert instruction, in-depth education, and vendor-neutral research that has differentiated TDWI through the years, made available in a way that meets the demands of the times. Reliable virtual delivery of a robust program lets you customize a course lineup to fit your role, needs, and schedule. And cost-effective packages will work with what we know may be tight training budgets. And we haven't forgotten about those connections. This event includes multiple ways for you to engage and network with peers, our instructors, and our solution providers. We invite you to explore our website for more information, and we really hope you will join us this December. Thank you, and see you soon.